Hey there, welcome to our YouTube gaming channel. Today, we're going to talk about complete SEO on YouTube gaming channel. As you may already know, search engine optimization or SEO plays a crucial role in helping your channel get discovered by viewers who are interested in your content. So, if you're a gaming content creator, you'll want to pay close attention to this video. Part 1, Understanding YouTube SEO. First, let's understand what YouTube SEO is. YouTube SEO is the process of optimizing your videos, channel, and metadata to increase your channel's visibility and reach on YouTube. This includes optimizing your video titles, descriptions, tags, and thumbnails to improve your ranking on search results and suggested videos. Part 2, Keyword Research. The first step in optimizing your videos for SEO is to conduct keyword research. Keyword research is the process of identifying the search terms and phrases that your target audience is searching for on YouTube. You can use tools like Google Keyword Planner or TubeBuddy to find relevant keywords for your content. Once you have your keywords, make sure to include them in your video titles, descriptions, tags, and even in your video content. Part 3, Optimize video titles and descriptions. Next, optimize your video titles and descriptions. Your video titles should be catchy, informative, and contain your target keywords. Your descriptions should be detailed, informative, and should also contain your target keywords. Make sure to add timestamps and links to relevant content in your description to improve user engagement. Part 4, Optimize video tags. Tags are another essential part of YouTube SEO. Tags help YouTube understand what your video is about and can help your videos show up in relevant search results. Make sure to use specific, relevant tags, including your target keywords. However, avoid using irrelevant tags or spammy tags as this can hurt your SEO. Part 5, Optimize video thumbnails. Thumbnails are the first thing viewers see when browsing through videos on YouTube. A high-quality, eye-catching thumbnail can attract more clicks and views to your videos. Make sure to use a clear and visually appealing thumbnail that accurately represents your video content. Part 6, Engage your audience. Finally, engagement is a crucial factor in YouTube SEO. The more engagement your videos receive, the higher they'll rank on search results and suggested videos. Encourage your viewers to like, comment, and share your videos. Also, make sure to respond to comments and engage with your audience to build a loyal community. In conclusion, YouTube SEO is essential for any gaming content creator who wants to grow their channel and reach a wider audience. By following these SEO tips, you can improve your channel's visibility, attract more views, and build a loyal fanbase. So, start implementing these SEO strategies today, and see the difference in your channel's growth. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.